Hello, and welcome to the Apply Bridges Another Awesome video. As you might have already watched our last two videos, that is, how to register and set up a complete student account on Apply Bridge, and how to create a free counselor account. So, today, we are going to learn how to apply to a particular institution by selecting a particular area of study. So without any further delay, let's get directly to the Apply Bridge portal. As you can see, I am already logged into my student account. Don't worry, if you are new to this channel, you can always create a student account for free. Now, I'm just going to click on Dashboard to show you around. You can see I have filled these details like personal information, language score, GPA score, and academic information. You should also have to fill this all before applying to any institution. After you're done, just go back to our website and click on Find My Dream University. Enter any of the university you want to apply. For example, I am putting Wichita State University. Now open the university information page and click on Courses Offered. You can see there are numerous different courses to choose for both bachelor's and master degree. Now I will choose Biomedical Engineering and click on Apply Now. Soon the website takes you to the checkout page. You can see your university name, applied course name, and application fee charge. Similarly, just below to that, there are 3 different payment methods to pay the application charge. Select from debit, card, bank transfer, or PayPal. And click on Confirm. So, that's how you can easily submit an application form to any institution. Please visit to our contact forums, or reach out to any of these to get a full free guidance on study abroad. Thank you and goodbye.